Did you know that over 50 million people worldwide experience power outages each year, many lasting days or even weeks? Are you ready if the lights go out for good? Hi, welcome back to Ultra Prime Selections Inc. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: how to prepare for an extended power outage. Whether it's due to storms, grid failures, or natural disasters, being ready can mean the difference between comfort and chaos. Let's get you prepared like a pro. Extended blackouts are more than just inconvenient. Without power, food spoils in hours, heating systems shut down, and communication with the outside world becomes nearly impossible. Imagine being stuck in freezing temperatures without heat, or not being able to call for help in an emergency. It's a scenario no one wants to face, yet so many are unprepared. Let's fix that. Here are some steps you can take to prepare for an extended blackout. 1. Stockpile long-lasting food and water. Keep at least a 7-day supply of non-perishable food and bottled water. Look for innovative solutions like water purification tablets and freeze-dried meals. Small, portable, and highly efficient. 2. Invest in backup power. Solar-powered chargers, hand-crank generators, or even a backup generator can keep essential devices like phones and medical equipment running. 3. Lighting alternatives. Forget basic flashlights. Go for solar lanterns or crank-powered lights that don't rely on batteries. They're eco-friendly and always ready. 4. Stay warm. If it's winter, thermal blankets and sleeping bags designed for extreme temperatures can be lifesavers. Layering clothes and even creating a small insulated area in one room can conserve body heat. 5. Communication is key. Battery-powered or hand-crank radios will keep you informed about weather updates and emergency broadcasts when your phone dies. 6. Unique idea. Use reflective emergency blankets to line windows and walls. Not only do they conserve heat, but they also amplify candlelight or lantern light, making your space brighter and warmer with minimal effort. This is the ultimate game changer, a portable power station. These compact devices can charge your electronics, power small appliances, and even run medical devices in a pinch. Pair it with a solar panel, and you've got a sustainable power source for days, or even weeks. It's an investment, but one that can make all the difference in an extended blackout. And here's the great news. We at Ultra Prime Selections Inc. have you covered. Our new lineup of survival gear, including advanced solar generators, long-lasting emergency food kits, and innovative lighting solutions, is here to help you stay prepared. Keep an eye out for these items coming soon to our store. Preparation is key. Stock up on food and water, secure backup power, and don't forget the small but critical items like reflective blankets and radios. A little effort now can save you from big problems later. Have you ever been through a blackout? Share your experience in the comments below and let us know your top survival tips. Don't forget to check out Ultra Prime Selections Inc. for the latest survival gear to keep you ready for anything. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay ahead of the storm.